Looking for the best dash cam to protect your car and record everything on the road? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. These dash cams offer powerful features like 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, voice control, and parking mode to give you peace of mind while driving. We've selected these dash cams based on video quality, reliability, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dashcam. We have the REDTIGER F7N Touch Dashcam, one of the most advanced dashcams available in 2026. This model records 4K video from the front camera and Full HD from the rear camera, delivering crisp and detailed footage in almost any condition. It also uses Sony Starvis 2 night recording technology, providing outstanding night recording performance. One of its standout features is the 3.18-inch touchscreen display, which makes navigating settings and reviewing footage extremely easy. The dashcam also includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi with fast 20 megabytes per second downloads, built-in GPS tracking, voice control, loop recording, and parking monitoring. It even comes with a 128 gigabyte memory card included, so you can start recording right out of the box. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, touchscreen with easy controls, fast Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. Overall, the REDTIGER F7N Touch offers the best balance of performance, features, and convenience, making it our top dashcam pick for 2026. Number 2. Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam. Next up, we have the Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam, a powerful option designed for complete 360-degree vehicle coverage. This dashcam features 4 cameras, recording the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle simultaneously. The front camera records in 2.7K resolution, while the additional cameras capture detailed footage around the car. It uses Sony Starvis 2 night vision technology, ensuring excellent low-light recording. The dashcam also supports 24/7 buffered parking mode, which records events even while the car is parked. With voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, dual GPS, and support for up to 1 terabyte storage, it's ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full monitoring coverage. Pros: 4K 360-degree recording, excellent night vision, large storage support. Overall, the Vantrue N5S is perfect for drivers who want complete vehicle coverage and advanced recording features. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Plus. Next up, we have the VIOFO A229 Plus, a premium dashcam that focuses on excellent video quality and reliable performance. It uses dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, recording 1440p video from both the front and rear cameras. This provides impressive detail during both daytime and nighttime driving. The dashcam also includes HDR technology, which balances bright and dark areas to produce clearer footage. In addition, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows faster video transfers to your smartphone. It also features voice control, ultra-precise GPS tracking, and advanced parking monitoring, making it a well-rounded option for daily drivers. Pros: dual Starvis 2 sensors, excellent HDR video quality, reliable parking mode. Overall, the VIOFO A229 Plus offers excellent video quality and reliable recording for serious drivers. Number 4. 70mm A800 SE Dashcam. Next up, we have the 70mm A800 SE 4K Dashcam, a device designed to deliver high-resolution recording with smart driving assistance features. This dashcam records in 4K from the front camera, while the rear camera provides additional coverage behind your vehicle. It also features super night vision, which helps produce clearer recordings during nighttime driving. The dashcam includes ADAS driver assistance alerts, such as lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, helping improve road awareness. With Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in GPS, and a 3-inch IPS display, it offers a convenient and user-friendly experience. Pros: sharp 4K front camera, ADAS driver assistance features, good night vision performance. Overall, the 70mm A800 SE is a smart dashcam for drivers who want extra safety features along with high-quality recording. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K Dashcam. Finally, we have the ROVE R2 4K Dashcam, a great option for drivers who want high-quality recording without spending too much money. This dashcam records in Ultra HD 4K resolution, producing clear footage that can easily capture license plates and road details. It also features a 150-degree wide-angle lens, allowing you to record more of the road. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 lets you quickly download videos to your smartphone through the companion app, while the integrated GPS records your speed and driving route. With its compact design and 2.4-inch IPS display, it's simple to install and easy to use for everyday driving. Pros: crisp 4K video quality, built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS, wide viewing angle. Overall, the ROVE R2 4K is an affordable and reliable dashcam for basic 4K recording.